Hi, I'm Gianni from Giovanni.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to cloak your affiliate links in order to not get banned by most of the social media, in order to mask your link, and why. So let's go to the video. Remember to subscribe to the channel.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to use bit.ly and tinyURL to cloak affiliate links. Now, why would you want to do this? Well, there are several reasons. First and foremost, some people are put off by affiliate links. They'll see an affiliate link in an email or on a website and they simply won't click it. They think, why should this person make money off of me clicking the link? I mean, I don't understand why, but some people do have an aversion to it. Others will try and swap your affiliate ID with theirs if they're a member of the same affiliate program so that they get the commission and not you. So cloaking a link just simply makes sense for that reason. And some email providers and some email software will automatically flag anything that has an affiliate link in it as spam. They seem to think that anybody who's sending out an email with an affiliate link in it is a spammer, and they'll block it out. So that can cost you quite a lot in sales. And of course, many affiliate links are quite long. And think about it. Let's say that you want to put an affiliate link into a Twitter tweet. Well, Twitter has a limit of 140 characters. If your affiliate link is 52 characters long, well, it doesn't leave much room for the rest of your tweet. And there are two services that you can use to accomplish this. The first one is bit.ly, which you can access here at bit.ly.com. And it's a free service. You can sign up and create an account to get some of the more advanced applications, or you can just simply come to the website and insert a link to just make it shorter. All you do is copy and paste a link into this box here. Let's use the ClickBank hop link from earlier on and click here on shorten. And there you go, it's shortened, and you can see the before and after versions down below here. All you have to do now is to copy it to your computer's clipboard and then paste it into your website, your email, or your Twitter feed. One more that I want to show you, and that is tinyURL. And you can find that here at tinyurl.com. And again, this is a free service. And just like with bit.ly, all you do is copy and paste a URL in here. So once again, let's use our ClickBank hop link and click on the button that says Make Tiny URL. You can also add a custom alias if you wish. I'm going to skip that for this demonstration. And there we go. You can see the URL, which previously had a length of 52 characters, has been shortened down to a length of 26 characters. And you can copy it to the clipboard just by simply clicking here. And it's saying, there we go, this tiny URL was copied to your clipboard. And once again, you can put it into an email or into a Twitter feed or a tweet, or you can add it to your website. And now we can see them all compared side by side. So there you go. That's how to use bit.ly and tinyURL to mask your affiliate links.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more, if you want to learn step by step how to promote affiliate products, go to johnvianney.com. Remember to subscribe to the channel, insert your name and email in the page, and get the step-by-step training along with my free ebook about making money online with affiliate marketing.